So let's look at what we have here. Unlike, I guess, my other speaker boxes that I've built, this one will not have an internal battery. The reason for that is because we want to make this speaker box lightweight. Obviously, adding a lead acid battery adds a ton of weight, and that's something that we don't want for this particular build. Let's take a look at the main attraction here. For this build, we're going to be using this Crunch brand. These are 3.5-inch speakers as well. Here. All right, here they are. All right, just more entrance. Take a look at this one here real quickly. Nice looking speakers. Nice size magnet there. All right. Oh, we will be using a power supply to power up the amp. We have our 5.5 by 2.1 millimeter jack there, and the output is 24 volt 2.5 amperages. More than sufficient power. I got this off of Amazon. It's a 50 watt per channel Bluetooth 5.0 amplifier. There it is. So very good. It comes with this. We also have a heat sink. We'll be attaching this to the amplifier board. A little washer and a nut, and of course a little knob. Here is the main board. Check it out. So again, it's a 50 watts per channel, 2-channel. There you go. Left, right. Okay, so this little bag includes the little nuts and spacers for the amp plate. I guess it goes like this. There we go. Flip it over, and then this will be towards the back for the speakers, like that. And again, little spacers I just showed you. There's 4 of them. They'll be attached on all 4 corners. Got your. The power button is the volume button as well. Here's a little click all the way up, and then all the way back down until it clicks off. There it is. All right. Very solid. It feels nice. Gives you a little bit of resistance as you're turning. As you can see, it also has an auxiliary input for a 3.5 millimeter jack. And lastly, we'll be using a 9-ply plywood. This is a very high density plywood, very high quality plywood here. Okay folks, so now that we have all our pieces cut down to exact measurements, we have all 6 sides ready to go and assemble. But before we do that, I actually need to make a little cutout to the front of the speaker enclosure so that we can install the little amplifier. Also, another thing is, you saw me use my CNC machine to cut out these holes. I could have used my circle cutting jig along with the router to make the 2 holes, but the CNC machine is as accurate as it gets, and so I have it, and that's why I decided to use it. All right, here we go. All right, now that we have our little cutout here for the amplifier, and it's hard to see, but there's, oh yeah, the reflection you can see. There's a plexiglass there that I just added. I also drilled a hole, as you can see, it's right through there. That's gonna be for the power volume knob. Yeah, I had to throw on the Caliwood Soundworks logo, of course. So the next step, what I'm gonna do is, I made this little platform where the amp is going to sit behind this. I'm going to set it down like this. As you can see, it has this little notch here. That's just so that it'll create some pressure to ensure that it keeps the amplifier pretty secure to the front of the plate there. Alright guys, so up next what we're going to do is we're going to attach the speaker wire. Let's go ahead and strip the wire here. Excellent. Where is it? There it is. Nice. There it is. Of course I had attached the power source, duh. So I just did that fairly quickly. I dropped it in, attached a couple screws so it doesn't get loose. You just saw me attach the power source to the amplifier board there. So at this point I'm just gonna close up the top and then finally attach the speakers on the front. So before I actually finish it and install the speakers, I want to apply some trim around the front of the speaker here, just around the trim, that's all. And I'm looking through my stash of leftover pieces. This is all hardwood here, by the way. I have some Paduke, I have some purple heart, yellow heart, and I think this is maple, hard maple. Anyway, if I attach the hard maple, it won't really stand out. A little bit of the yellow heart maybe, but the two best options will be either the purple heart or the Paduke. And I don't know, I'm really liking the Paduke. Purple heart, maybe two. Yeah, I could see it, but this Paduke really pops out. So let's go with that. Paduke it is. All right, let's go ahead and finish touches, which is, of course, the applique. Take out the leads to the right side, and of course, nice and secure, just like so. Yeah, make it go. We're gonna drop that in, just like that. To the right channel. Same thing. We're gonna take our positive here, connect it to the terminal there, just like so, and the negative, just like that. Stick it in. Boom. All right, drop in. There it is. All right, since the screws we use are fairly thick here, you can see we are going to. Alright, and now, we simply remove the tape and attach the power and bottom knob. Alright, there it is. Just peel off. Boom, there. That's the washer and wire. Not really. Not that one. Just take it off. We are going to attach it in. Oh yeah, feels really good. So first thing first, we're going to take our power cord here. Turn this thing around. I'm only this because I don't want to damage or scratch the bottom. Not that anybody's going to see it until I attach the legs. Looking very good, looking very good. All right. So, power this up. Just play some random music. Oh my goodness, that's only like 25% and it's loud as heck. Son las 3 de la mañana. Nos besamos bien borrachos los dos.